Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. The proposed T20 Tri-Nation Series involving the West Indies, Australia and host Afghanistan has officially been called off. The Tri-Series was set for the first week of October before the upcoming T20 World Cup, which is scheduled to run from October 17 to November 14 in the UAE and Oman. However, the viability of the series came into question when Cricket West Indies CEO Johnny Grave revealed that up to 2 weeks before the proposed start, the hosts had still not secured a venue. The logistical challenge emerged as the Indian Premier League is currently underway in the United Arab Emirates. Moving the series to India also got ruled out due to the rising number of COVID-19 cases in that country. On Monday, Grave told TVJ Sports that he had just received an email from the Afghanistan Cricket Board informing CWI of the postponement of the series. Grave noted that there has also been visa issues faced by the Afghanistan players.